Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel, Edmond Mendaros, and for today's quick tutorial guys, and I'm going to show you on how to resolve Windows Update KB890830 with the error message show Windows Malicious Software Remover Tool KB890830. Some update files are missing or have problems. Well, try to download the update again later with the error code 0x80070003. So this particular update is known as a roll-up update, which means it combines previous updates into a single package designed to bring the system up to date efficiently and reduce the complexity of applying many individual patches. This failure can occur due to various reasons primarily related to system integrity and configurations discrepancies, corrupted system files, corrupted update cache, and existing software or hardware configurations. And then I'll show you how to resolve it. Kung paano ba natin ito i-fix, and without further ado, and let's go ahead. So the first solutions we will do is to run the Windows Update Troubleshooters. Kung paano ba yan natin gawin, all you have to do is to open up on a search menu. And dito sa search for apps, so type mo lang dito yung troubleshoot settings. And i-click mo lang dito yung open. And then under dito sa options ay kailangan mo lang i-select dito yung other troubleshooters. So i-click mo lang yan. And under dito sa most frequent, kailangan mo lang i-select dito yung Windows Update. At dito lang sa right side, kailangan mo lang i-click tong run. And wait natin na ma-complete yung detecting problems, initializing, and diagnostic process. And troubleshooting has completed. And next step, so kailangan mo lang mag-restart. So close lang tong settings. At dito lang sa start menu and then i-click mo lang dito yung restart. Alright, and hope na na-resolve yung problem. But if the error still persists, and other solutions na pwede natin gawin is to clear the Windows Update cache. All you have to do is to open up again on a search menu. And dito sa search for apps, so type mo lang dito yung File Explorer. And then, kailangan mo lang i-click dito yung open. So once na-open mo na tong File Explorer, so dito lang sa left side and then kailangan mo lang i-select dito yung this PC, click mo lang yan. At dito lang sa ating right side dito sa devices and drives, so kailangan mo lang i-select dito yung ating C drive. So select and double click. And next step ay kailangan mo lang i-select dito yung Windows, alright? So i-click mo lang tong Windows, double click. And then next step, so dito lang sa Windows and then kailangan lang natin i-locate dito yung software distribution. So scroll down and then select mo lang dito yung software distribution. So select and double click. And next step, so select mo lang dito yung post reboot event cache. So select and double click. So once na open mo na ito and then ang gagawin natin dito is to delete. Alright. So, gamitin mo lang yung keyboard shortcut na Ctrl+E para ma-select lahat and then kailangan mo lang i-delete and then next, kailangan mo lang i-click dito yung continue. Right, so after dito and other solution na pwede natin gawin is to repair corrupted system files. So, all you have to do is to open up again on a search menu and dito sa search for apps, so type mo lang dito yung CMD or ito yung tinatawag na command prompt and then kailangan mo lang mag-right click and select mo lang dito yung Run as Administrator. If you receive user account control and i-click mo lang dito yung Yes. And dito sa Administrator Command Prompt ay kailangan lang natin i-enter yung command keyword na dsym /online /cleanup -image /restore health. So copy lang natin yan and then next step. So gamitin mo yung keyboard shortcut na Ctrl+B para ma-paste natin and press mo lang yung enter and deploy image and servicings and management tool. So dito ay kailangan lang hintay na makomplete ang verifications into 100%. And the restore operations completed successfully. And next command keyword na kailangan natin i-enter ay type mo lang yung command keyword na sfc /scan now. So in all small letter lahat and then yung /scan now ay one word yan and press mo lang yung enter. And beginning system scan, this process will take some time. Beginning verifications, phase of system scan. So, kailangan ulit na hintay na makomplete ang verifications into 100%. And finally, verifications 100% complete. And then next step, so close lang natin tong CMD. At dito lang sa start menu, kailangan mo lang mag-restore. Okay, click mo lang yan. Alright, so ganoon lang po kasimple on how to fix Windows Malicious Software Remover Tool KB890830 error in Windows 11. And please don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more quality content. Thank you guys and see you in my next tutorial.